We are trying to figure out if 4z is greater than negative 6. Look at clue 1. Z is less than negative 7. Sorry, z is less than 7. That's not going to work. Let's say you let z be 6. 6 is less than 7. So 4 times 6 is 24. 24 is greater than negative 6. But what if z is negative 10? Negative 10 is less than 7. That would be 4 times negative 10, which is negative 40, and negative 40 is not greater than negative 6, it's less than. Your clue has to work all the time. All right, what if z is greater than negative 1? Well, let's let z, we got to worry about, if z is greater than negative 1, we're looking at all of these numbers here, right? And if I let z, let's say I let z be 1. If z is 1, I get 4 is greater than negative 6. That's true. So any of the positive numbers and 0 will also work because 0 is greater than negative 6. All of these numbers are going to work. But what about these here? So let's let z be a negative 0.5. Z is negative 0.5, and this z value is greater than negative 1. So if you take 4 times a negative 1/2 or negative 0.5, that gives you negative 2, and negative 2 is greater than negative 6. So that's going to work. Any of those numbers there are going to make it greater than negative 6. So what's my answer? 1 didn't work, 2 did work, answer's B.